back with your SS section. Today we will start with our civics second chapter, that is understanding secularism. Children, in this chapter we will learn about what is secularism. Children, I'll give you one example. In USA, as you all know that USA is a Christian fundamentalism is very powerful, right? And here many people, means majority of people, they follow Christianity. Now in that case, if I am going there and I want to rent a house, though I'm not Christian, I follow a Muslim religion or Hindu religion, either than Christianity. And in that case, if they don't lend me a rented house, then how I will feel? How will I? It will be like a critical situation that these people, as I'm not a Christian, I'm of other religion, they are not owing me house or they are not giving me any house for rent. So that is the situation. Now in history also, you might have seen that history provides us many such examples. For example, Jews were persecuted in Hitler's Germany, and how several millions of people were killed during the Hitler age. Now, right now also in Saudi Arabia, as we all know that Saudi Arabia is a Muslim dominated country, and non-Muslims are not allowed to build their temples and churches in Saudi Arabia, right? Neither they are not even allowed to offer their prayers and gather in the public places to offer their prayers, right? So these are the things in Saudi Arabia also. Now, however, Jewish state of Israel treats its own Muslims and Christians, minorities, quite badly. And so these are the things which we have seen in our history also, and we see in many states or many countries right now also. Right? So that is what we see. Right? Why? If I tell you our example of India. India, we have so many states, different states, different religious people reside, different cultures people reside, different languages are spoken, different festivals are being celebrated, different attires people are wearing, people have their what you can say, food is different, but still India is a secular country. Because why it is secular? Why we call it secular? Because no particular religion is being dominated to another religion. That is what it is called as a secularism. What is secularism? Secularism refers to this separation of religion from the state. Now, for example, if I am residing in Gujarat, so no doubt our Gujarat people, most of the people residing in Gujarat, they speak Gujarati language. But it is not that people from Kerala cannot come and reside in Gujarat, or they cannot speak Kerala in Kerala, or Tamil people cannot reside in Gujarat and they cannot speak their Tamil language in Gujarat. It's not that. Or even our Gujarati people or Gujarati students, they are not going to another states for studies, and they are not going to another what you can state of any corner of India, and they are not allowed to speak Gujarati. It is not that, right? So that is what we will study in this chapter. We will see you soon in the next session, part second, for the next topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.